Welcome to the AI and Future of Work podcast. I'm Marcus Chen, joined by Sofia Rodriguez. Today, we're diving deep into Workshop Launchpad. Build, automate, and sell a mini workshop with AI in a single day, and how it can transform your life as a digital nomad. If you want to work smarter, earn more, and reclaim your time through AI, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
Quick hook. Imagine this. Anna, a freelance UX consultant, spent 4 hours creating and delivering a focused mini workshop while on the road. With a 1-hour live session and an automated replay funnel she set up in the afternoon, she made $2,000 that week with no extra travel or client hours. That's not a fairy tale. It's a repeatable workflow. This changes everything for nomads.
And before we dig in, a quick promise and a guardrail. We'll show a compact, ethical workflow you can realistically complete in a day. But every AI output should get a human accuracy pass. We care about truth, clarity, and protecting your client trust. Start small, verify content, and scale responsibly. Let's make this actually work for you.
Section 1. The problem and the AI solution at a high level. The core pain is a time-for-money trap. Service providers trade hours for dollars. Travel interrupts workflows, and launching a product feels overwhelming. You've likely stalled because tools feel scattered and ROI feels uncertain.
Exactly. The common barriers are content creation overwhelm, unclear packaging, and the technical overhead of payments and delivery. That's where a focused AI plus no-code architecture helps. Use an LLM for curriculum drafting, slide and image generators for visuals, a simple landing page plus Stripe for payments, an email/CRM for attendee nurturing, and an automated delivery platform for recordings and follow-ups.
High-level pros and cons. LLMs accelerate ideation and curriculum structure. Huge time savings. But they need verification. Visual generators speed slide creation, but can produce generic imagery unless guided. No-code landing builders are fast and portable, but complex funnels can become fragile if over-automated. The sweet spot is minimal viable automation, reliable, testable, and reversible. Section 2. The tool stack demo and quick comparisons. For LLM prompts, you can use ChatGPT GPT-4o for convenience and powerful instruction following, or a local LLM for privacy and offline use. For slides, Canva or Slides AI are fast for clean slides. DeckTape or DeckSet gives more control for developer-friendly PDF exports. For landing pages, Webflow or ConvertKit offer flexibility. Card plus Stripe is fastest and cheapest. For automations, Zapier is easy and robust. Make, formerly Integromat, gives more complex logic and fewer steps for power users.
Our recommended starter stack for nomads? GPT-4o or a hosted LLM for prompts, Canva for slides, Card plus Stripe for landing and payments, ConvertKit or MailerLite for email funnels, and Zapier for automations. This keeps costs low, set up fast, and complexity manageable. Start with a free or low-cost tier and scale only when you validate demand.
Now the meat. A step-by-step implementation with exact prompts and automations you can run in a single afternoon. Step 1. Curriculum outline. Prompt example to the LLM. Create a concise 60-minute mini workshop outline for target audience freelance designers focused on portfolio to prompts that includes a 5-minute intro, 3 core lessons, a 15-minute live exercise, a 10-minute Q&A, and 3 practical takeaways with resources, output as bullet headers with timing. Use that output as your session backbone.
Step 2. Slide generation. Prompt for slide content. For each workshop section, write 1 slide title and 3 bullet points with a short speaker note per slide. Use plain language and add a single 16:9 hero image prompt for an image generator. Then paste slide text into Canva templates and replace the hero image using an image generator or Canva stock assets. Always quick review each slide for accuracy.
Step 3. Landing page copy prompt. Example, write a 5-line landing hero. 1. Headline that states result and time frame. 2. 1-sentence description. 3. 3 bullet benefits. 4. Price and guarantee. 5. CTA. Keep tone concise and trust focused. Use that copy in Card or Webflow. embed a Stripe checkout, and add social proof or a short bio line.
Step 4. The email funnel and automations. Cold to warm email sequence example prompts. Draft of 5 email sequence, welcome and access, pre-workshop prep, reminder 24 hours, replay plus resources, upsell to coaching/product with a 3-day scarcity. For Zapier, trigger on Stripe payment, add to ConvertKit list, send welcome email with calendar link and a Digistore-style confirmation page. On webinar completion, send recording link and a timed upsell email. Here's a concrete Zap outline. Stripe payment success. Create ConvertKit subscriber. Send welcome email with S3 link placeholder. Delay 1 day. Send prep email.
Include 2 verification automations. 1, a human review step where the lead organizer checks slides and copy before publishing. And 2, an automated checksum. After the workshop, a Zap that confirms the recording file uploaded successfully and pings you or your backup channel if it failed. These are simple, high-impact safety nets.
Section 3. Real Nomad results and the before-after example. Quick case. Anna invested 90 minutes creating prompts and slides, 60 minutes delivering live, and 30 minutes on automations. Total active time, 4 hours. She sold 20 seats at $100, 60% attended live, and post-workshop replay funnel converted an extra 10% to paid offers. Net revenue roughly $2,000 that week, and repeatable on a monthly cadence. Time saved, she replaced 20 client hours with a productized offering that scales.
Potential pitfalls and mitigations. Over-automation can make sessions feel robotic. Mitigate with a live Q&A and a personalized welcome. Relying on unvetted AI content risks inaccuracies. Implement a mandatory human review for facts and examples. And toolchain fragility can break funnels. Start with a minimal stock, test with a small audience, and document each automation step.
Ethical checklist. Disclose AI assistance where appropriate. Avoid definitive claims the AI can't support. And add citations or resources when you present facts. Keep attendee trust front and center. Your reputation is the long-term product.
CTA, actionable next steps. Grab our free workshop Launchpad prompt pack and automation checklist at nomadlifesuccess.com/AI tools. Try a 4-hour sprint this weekend, outlined with the LLM, 10 slides in Canva, a simple card landing with Stripe, and a Zap that emails recorded replay. Share your results in the community and we'll give feedback. Here's the exact prompt/stack to start with on the site.
We'll also include a checklist for human review steps and a short ethics guide to help you avoid common missteps. Start small, test, and iterate. The human plus AI advantage is about blending speed with judgment. Start small, but think big.
That's our complete breakdown of Workshop Launchpad. Build, automate, and sell a mini workshop with AI in a single day. Remember, automate the ordinary, amplify the extraordinary. Head to nomadlifesuccess.com/AI tools to access our full AI toolkit, including Dream Guide AI and LifePath AI. While you're there, check out our online courses and audio courses. Subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode.